Old Goa is a sacred place, and people from all over the world come over here. And they value the heritage, the built heritage, and also the living heritage, the surroundings around over there. And that's the reason there is an awe when they come over here. The country owns a lot of money from there due to the various people coming over there. It has also become a little business hub over there. So there is an eye of powerful over there. So what is happening over here in this side is that there was a small hut which was existing over there. They use all their means, their power, money to get their permissions. It is very evident from the ways they are getting permission. First of all, the only competent authority over here to give the permission is the ASI. And ASI, without their permission, no other authority can give permission over there. They have to say that provided the ASI gives permission. So here we see authorities like TCP is giving permission, authorities like CRZ is giving permission, authorities like Panchayat is giving permission without ASI. The ASI reports are very clear. The local ASI seems to be very good over here with regard to their duties. They have clearly stated that there was a hut existing over there was no house over there. And I have been in that place from 2008 onwards. I was over there. We have moved around over there. We have seen a small hut, एक खूप कशे असले धाकटुले lodge कशे, but not. They were keeping all these coconuts over there. And with regard to that, I have been over there, so there is no question about a house existing over there. Secondly, we have seen from the report of the ASI, they were very diligent with regard to that. The permissions were sought for a big house. And this big house, the structure which was shown, the photographs which were shown, were from another place itself. And the ASI stated that we went to that place called as Parse in Perne. They saw that house, they saw that owner, they clicked the photograph. They were exactly matching with the photographs which were shown over there. So therefore, a fraud of first degree has been done to attack the heritage over here by some powerful individuals who are involved in that, in the badge of some small persons over here. So we have to see and conserve that place. And it is our duty as Goans, as well as the duty of all of India and the world, throughout the world, wherever they are, so that this heritage could be conserved and preserved.
Any political environment is there inside?
See, without political involvement, no permissions can be taken. It is as easy as that. The authorities who are there are small fries. Without political involvement, no permissions can be taken.
What's your name? Yeah. See, in protected area, you cannot do anything. So main thing is the permission and dili koni. You have to find out who had given the permission. So the competent authority is sir. See, we cannot allow, see, the World Heritage Site. We cannot allow Kanai on a Palaki Pantolo. It is the secondly, everyone who visits Goa comes to Goa and take a Palaki to concrete structure delay. So what example we are setting up? So we can do anything in heritage site. So there is no value for the heritage.
No, if the structure is not demolished, the what will be your further?
We'll take certain action. We'll inform you. Yeah.
After we take the action,
We'll inform you. Next step of us.
Thank you.
I'm including you all. Press is not a separate body from us. Including you all, we have to work together and protect our area. I'm going to Saibaji area. I'm emotional. I'm emotional because this our body of the separate is the life body is there. It is for everybody. What religion? Hindus are, Muslims are, Christians are, so many body and we are at full faith. आमची मिलाग्रे जातात ह्या गोंयांत आनी हेच तर आमची डिस्ट्रॉय करूंक लागतले. वॉट इज द प्रॉब्लम आमचो? वॉट इज आवर फ्युचर? आमचीच तर आमची सापडाची बॉडी आपल्या वर्ल्डाक आहा and people are coming rushing here. Exposition every 10 years exposition. 2024 exposition. What people will see? What people will say? तुम निदले रे? हम come blame करना. Including the press. Including the press, people have to talk. People have to. You all have to cover us. You all have to protect us. You all have to guide us. You all have to support us. We have to work together. Not only press is not separate. Press is not an individual body. We are all together. We have to work for Goa. We have to work, and this is the central live body is there. It is all over the world. It is for all religion. I'm repeating. It is for all religion. Hindu, Muslim, Christians. They know not only these people. There are people are coming. And each and every part of Goa. People should know what is happening in Goa. तुम्ही म्हणते गोवा किती गोया आमची सापराची बॉडी हा लोक येता ओनली फॉर नोविनास नो पीपल आर स्टील कमिंग आता मातशें लॉकडावन आमना लोक ना अदरवाइज यू कम thousands of people are coming there to visit not only Goan all over India all religion are coming there आता लोकांना कितें सांगपाचें आमी what we have to say people आमी आता तुम्ही आता बाबा पळय बिल्डिंग पळय चर्चीत प्रोटेक्ट एरिया बिल्डिंग एरिया कोण आन्सरेबल हू इज आन्सरेबल वी आर ऑल आन्सरेबल नॉट ओनली वी द कमिटी वी आर लिविंग इन ओल्ड वर्ल्ड नॉट ओनली वी हैव टू आन्सर इवन यू ऑल हैव टू आन्सर तुम्हीच म्हणटा अरे बाबा आमची गोंयांत कितें जालां तुमचें ना तुमी येस नो all even you all have to cover us you all have to give us positive report to all over world because this will go to all आणि इतले म्हणून आमकां मातशें पयलीं सपोर्ट करात and we will work together you all also support us we will support together
आणि एप्रिल मे आणि जून ग्राउंड क्लास मान जाले एक पोस्टराचेर क्लियरली दाखयला मार्च पासून ती झोपडी हा मार्च एप्रिल मे जून म्हणल्यार ती ग्राउंड क्लास मान आणि थिंगा लोक सेंट कॅपिटनाक आपलो संवसाराचो लोक येता विजीट करता थिंगा प्रोटेक्टेड एरिया ते आयज तेमी अशें केला हे फाल्यां फूय कितें करूंक शकता फाल्यां हे आहा मंगेशी टेंपल आहा साफा मस्जिद आहा कोणाकूय इफेक्ट जावंक शकता फुडें कोणाकूय त्रास जावंक शकता सो हे भाशेन जावचें न्हू इतलेंच मागता हे भाशेन जावं उपपाक ना
And the entire government machinery is in collusion with the project proponents. For now, this is all I will say. I will add something to the rest of it. Now, repairs and restoration and all this has been well defined, have been accepted by Institute of Architects, Institute, Association of Engineers, and all the bodies of experts in this state of Goa. I need not go into definitions of restoration. Even EFN Ribeiro, Edgar Ribeiro has given a definition which has been accepted by all. And this by no standards can meet repairs. This is a complete fraud on the people of Goa.
हिंगा एक हाली फकत झोपडी आसली झोपडी ना
एक इल्लीगल कन्स्ट्रक्शन येता हें इल्लीगल कन्स्ट्रक्शन सेंट कॅजिटन कॉन्वेंट आसा ताच्या जी प्रोटेक्टेड एरिया आसा तितून भितून बांदता आनी हें कन्स्ट्रक्शन ह्या पॅन्डेमिकान इतलें फास्ट बांदता रातचे दीस रात थंयसर काम चलता तुमी फाटल्यान फोटो पयले आसतले थंयसर एक धाकलीशी होंप आसली ती रातया भितर ही होंप ना जाली आनी थंयसर आयज 2 माळयांचो स्ट्रक्चर आमकां दिश्टी पडटा तुमकां आमी प्रेस नोट दिला तितून सारकी डिटेल म्हायती आसा हें इल्लीगल कन्स्ट्रक्शन आमच्या इगोर्जे ज्यो आहा ती एरिया प्रोटेक्टेड एरिया आहा तिची सेन्सिटी आसा थंयसर पवित्रपण आसा तें आमी डिस्ट्रॉय केल्लेलें आमकां दिश्टी पडटा म्हणटा मागता जी डिटेल आसा ती आमचो वर्ल्ड गोवाचो हे तुमकां सांगतलो
गुड मॉर्निंग पिटर बाबान सांगला